So this is just a short video to go along with a blog post, which will be in the link. So just to go through what's going on, this is building a simulated traffic light system with just red, orange, amber, and green LEDs. They're just standard LEDs. The pins 0, 1, and 2 on the microbit control which light comes on, and the circuit diagram will be in the notes. So all that's going on is it's just turning on the LEDs, and I've just got it to write which color is going on the microbit. So when there's red and amber, you've got that red and R and G, green, and so on. That's it. It is meant to be read with built with the circuit diagrams in the blog.